Imagine you need agreeing on next steps in a professional situation. Today, you will learn agreeing on next steps with useful sentences you can say in real life. The pattern is simple. Use a polite, direct sentence that names the work task clearly. Notice the keywords, then add your own detail. Here are 3 examples. Could you send me the details, please? I will follow up by email. Thank you for the update. Let's test what we've learned. Which sentence sounds professional? Option 1. Could you send me the details, please? Option 2. Send it now. The best answer is, could you send me the details, please? The correct sentence is polite and clear for work. Let us recap. Use a polite, direct sentence that names the work task clearly. Practice this sentence. Could you send me the details, please? Say it once, then change one detail.